For a dumbbell hip thrust, you'll need a bench or a chair that's about knee height. Now, if you're a little bit shorter or depending on your body proportions, if your knees are lower than the bench, what we'll want to do is we'll want to elevate our feet just a little bit so that we can get to a completely horizontal extension at the top of the movement. So as you'll see here, I'm just going to use 2 tiny plates to elevate my feet. You could use books, you could use anything to elevate your feet, just whatever's comfortable. But as you can see, I'm completely horizontal now across the top because I added that elevation. For a hip thrust, we're going to be braking at the hips using a full range of motion. So we're going to descend down, chest and knees coming with the hips. We're going to make sure that we have a nice neutral pelvis. We don't want to be dipping our hips without the chest and knee coming with. So you'll see here, as our butt drops and as our hip drops, our shoulders to butt maintain a nice straight position. There's no curvature to the spine as we descend. The chest comes with. As we push up, we're making sure that we do get a full range of motion. See, we want to get all the way up, but not overly extending. We just want that nice horizontal line at the top of the movement. Your back should be on the bench about at the bra line. Now, to add weight for this movement with a dumbbell, bring the dumbbell up just below your hip breaking point, okay, where your hips bend. Now, you'll want to hold the dumbbell in position with your hands. I like to put it just on my thighs, but if you want, you can put a pad or a sweatshirt underneath to give yourself a little bit of cushion. Now, again, the movement stays the same. What we just talked about for body weight. The knees are going to travel backward as the hip descends. The spine stays in a nice neutral position. It's not curving at all as it does drop with. Chin should be tucked throughout the entire movement. We're going to maintain control throughout the entire movement. This should not be excessive momentum. Using that full range of motion, though, throughout the entire movement. Now, I just want to demonstrate what a glute bridge is. For a glute bridge, we're getting less range of motion and the knees are staying essentially stacked above the ankles. Again, that's not what we're looking for here. With a hip thrust, we want to use full range of motion where the knees do travel backward. But it can really help to see both variations and the difference between the glute bridge and the hip thrust. And just so we're ending on the correct movement, here again is the hip thrust where we have that full range of motion moving through the entire movement, descending down, knees trailing backwards, chest nice and straight and dropping with the movement, chin tucked. Again, full range of motion.